Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Seth. I have a special video for you guys. I went fishing, me and my girlfriend, in the Owego Creek. I forgot my mic, sorry for the audio, but I hope you guys enjoy. See you later.
Should be some bass or something up in here. What in the absolute frick? Oh, I got one. Yep. I knew I felt some. Little bass. Little smallie. Little smallie on the worm. One hand on the reel. Reel in. Reel it in. Reel it in. Just reel it in. Okay. I'm right here. Keep it like that. Keep your hand right here. No, put one up. Yeah. Hold it above itself. Yeah. Now reel in. When it goes taut like that, reel it in. No. Reel it in now. It's taut. It's getting stuck. Always when you're doing this, keep your hand here and cue it up, so you have control of it. Like this. We're watching it. It's bouncing off the bottom. Just bouncing, letting it coast. Letting it coast. I think I got one. Nope. Oh, he's a big one. Hold that.
Are you recording?
Yep. I am. Bigger. Not huge, dude, but look at him. Is that another one attacking me? I can't help it, man. I was just
trying. The fishing shirt.
I'm just trying to. He's fighting like a man. That's a nice smallie. Come on. Take my drag. That's a nice fish. Come on, Jimmy. Oh, that is a nice fish. Compared to the dinks I was catching just a minute ago. Look how pretty it is. Come on. This guy has... That's the thing with these smallmouth bass. They're freaking feisty. Come on. Look how barely he's hooked. Look how he's hooked. Barely. Let me see. Hold on.
Stop laughing.
I'm not trying to laugh.
Just go.
Look at that. That's money right there. Cute, just like that. Here. Hold it. Pull it up. Now reel it in. Past your point. Oh. Pull. No, don't. Keep it down. Don't let him jump. Let him run if he needs to. Put it up a little bit. Put it up. Yay! Yeah, but if you reel it in slow, like reel it in not super fast. If you don't reel it in super fast, they can come and grab it. Well, don't. He's just fighting it. You don't have to reel yet. Let him wear out. But if he's looking like he's coming to the surface to jump, try to lead him down, but he's not. He's just swimming. No, he's like medium size between the ones I would catch him. No. Reel him in. Pull up. Pull up. You don't want to... Oh, he's still fighting. Oh. Come on, guy. Good. That works. Okay, Zoe. Hold your fish. He's just like the other bass. Got him? You gotta hold tight, because if you don't, he's going. Got one. Oh, yeah. Another decent one. He flopped like a son of a gun. Fighting him on this ultralight's fun. He's a nice fish. He, she, whatever. Come on. I got some fight in him. Oh, right under their legs. Oh no! Try pulling through the legs. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Oh my god. Touch him and he's freaking out of there. This guy does not want to be caught. Those money.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day. See ya.